My name is Bonnie LDN and I have a shopping addiction. What's up YouTube? My name is Bonnie LDN. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back, girl. Today is the 31st of December, which means tomorrow is 2024. I have a lot of clothes that I have accumulated over the year. Some that I can't fit, some that are just too big, some that don't flatter my figure. So today is just going to be about clearing out my wardrobe and yeah, just seeing what I want to keep. So let's get into it. I think what I'm going to do is organize my clothes based on what they are. So I'm going to put the pants with the pants, skirts with the skirts, and also dresses with dresses. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I want to see how quickly I can get through this. Let me just show you real quick. I'm going to put my stopwatch on and let's just see how long it takes. I'm going to say this whole thing will take about 2 hours. Yeah, let's start. I think out of all my clothing items, I have the most dresses. So I'm going to start with those first. And I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to just organize them into one pile. Okay, so I think this is it for the dresses. As you can see, this pile is ridiculously big. I want to play a little game. Can we guess how many clothes are in this pile? Whoever gets the closest answer, I will gift you an Amazon gift card. So let me know in the comments how many dresses you think are in this pile. So the first dress that I'm going to try is this one that I got from Amazon. This dress is a shapewear dress and I don't really see myself wearing this again, but let's try it on first and let's have a look. So this is the first dress. Let me just give you guys a little shoulder back. And I like the way the shoulders come off like this. I think it's very flattering. However, I've only worn it for videos. I'm just gonna be real with myself and I'm gonna put it in the giveaway bag. So this dress, this is one of my favorite dresses and I got this one from Fashion Nova. I like this pattern of the dress and this is something that I would wear again. This is gonna go in my keep pile. I've kind of been doing a little bit of studying about my body type and I've learned that I'm an hourglass figure. I guess the rule of being an hourglass figure is you always need to show off your waist. You can't wear anything that is like too baggy, too bulky, because it will make you look bigger. This jumper dress, even though it is very, very comfortable, it is not flattering to my figure, so it's gonna have to go in the goodbye bin. This dress I bought in the summertime. I got this one from Primark, and unfortunately when I did buy this dress, it was really see-through. But at the end of the day, you kind of get what you pay for. This dress is 75% polyester. Polyester is one of the cheapest materials that fast fashion brands use. They're not the best quality, they don't feel great, and I would like to invest in higher quality pieces. So for that reason, so I had this blue dress next. I already know that this one is going to be a yes from me. It's just really flattering and it's kind of going in the direction of who I want to be in 2024. I want to dress a bit more classy. I used to dress quite... I'm going to show you a dress actually. Honestly, from the day I bought this dress, I still haven't figured out how to wear it. This is the skirt part. This part covers here and then I think it goes round and goes like this. This one's going in the no bin immediately. For some reason, Primark sizing is really off. I'm a size 16 to 18, but in Primark, I could easily wear a size 22 to 24. Got it in a 24, but I got a tailor to take in the sides a little bit, and it turned out so nice. So, would I wear this again though? That's the question. I'm not gonna wear this again, so I'm gonna put this in the no bin. So next we've got this sparkly dress. This was one of the dresses that was picked for content creation, but this is not something that I would wear again. So quite a quick decision. This one goes in the no bin as well. Fashion Nova. This was meant to be my New Year's dress, but I don't actually know if I'm gonna do anything for New Year's anymore. There's gonna be loads of occasions where I can wear this next year. For that reason, I am gonna keep this one. Again, PR dress. I'm sure you can see the difference between my PR dresses and how I dress on a normal day basis. But this one, although I do like the color, it's not really my style. So this one is gonna go in the no bin. So I bought this dress from PLT and it's a really nice dress, super classy, and it also has this draping here, which I think is really flattering. I may put a few things up on my Vinted account, which I'll leave in the comments below. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. and let's get back into the video. Next we have this lovely gown that I got from Fashion Nova. I have worn it for videos, but I don't think I'll wear this one again, so for that reason I'm probably going to sell this one. This one I got from PLT. This is actually super flattering. It has like this waffle detail and ruching on the side, so it's super flattering. For that reason I'm gonna keep this dress, so this is gonna go in my yes pile. Next we have this dress that I got from PLT. This part is nice. I think the part that kind of cheapens this dress is this part. This is literally where your belly button goes, and it is very see-through. So for that reason, this one is gonna go in the no pile as well. This dress I got from Amazon. It's meant to be like a Skims dupe, and to be honest, this one is actually way better quality in my opinion. It's a lot softer, and I think it just snatches you, it pulls you in. This one in grey, and I also got this one in black, so you can really dress them up, or you could wear boots, leather jacket, but I think this is a really good wardrobe basic, so I'll be keeping this one. This is another Fashion Nova dress. It has a corset built in. I like dresses that show off my figure, so this one is a keeper. This dress is from Fashion Nova. It is very oversized, but for some reason, I feel like this dress has potential. Just try and imagine this. I wear this dress, I wear a nice tights and some black boots, leather jacket. I'm gonna keep this one. I got a story about this dress. This is the dress that I wore in Morocco date night with my boyfriend. At the time, we were still getting to know each other, still very early days. When I tell you this bad boy sealed the deal, not only is it bandaged, so it just hugs you in all the right places. Now it's kind of like my thing to keep buying red dresses. I'm not getting rid of it. 10 out of 10. I don't have too many dresses left, but remember I asked you guys to guess how many dresses are in this pile. I'm still counting. Don't forget. This dress I got from Yours Clothing. It is a bit big for me, so for that reason I'm gonna have to give this one away, but I did really like the color. There's another Fashion Nova dress. One thing I do like about the dress is the pattern and green on each side, so that kind of makes you look slimmer as opposed to just having one color block. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I'm gonna try and speed up a little bit, so I'm just gonna throw away some stuff I do not want, and then we're gonna talk over the ones that I'm gonna keep. I've thrown away all the dresses that I do not want. Dresses that I have in front of me, I want to try these ones on and we'll go from there. I got this one during the summertime. I've only worn it for a video. As you can see, the tag is still on, and let's see how it looks on. So this is how the dress looks on. Let me show you guys the side and the back. If I had it my way, it will fit more like this. I think that is way more flattering. I'm gonna give this one a pass. The next dress is this one from Fashion Nova. It's another velvet gown. Let me give you a little show. It is strapless, by the way. This is how it looks from the back, and this is how it looks on the other side. I wish this dress had a lot more support at the top. In the comments below, let me know should I keep this dress or not. So this one is another slit dress, but this one is from PLT. This is how it looks from the front. I love me a slit to the side. And this is how the back looks. The slit, it seals the deal for me, and I'm gonna keep this dress. This is the next dress. I got this one from Boohoo in the summertime as well. I really like the ruffles. I think they are very flattering. That's how it looks from the side, back, and from the side. Definitely gonna keep this one. These ones, I can just talk you through them because I've worn these quite recently. This dress, this is kind of like my go-to dress when I'm trying to look girly. It stops right at the waist, and it also covers the parts that you may not find as flattering, like stomach area. So this is a really nice dress. This one's gonna go in the yes pile. This is one of Fashion Nova's mess dresses. I'm gonna give this one a no, and it's gonna go inside my sale pile. Another Fashion Nova dress. This one is gonna go in the sale pile as well. This dress is really short. For reference, I'm 5'8" and I've got hips. Even me holding up to myself like this is already at my knees. So once I wear it with my hips, it's a no from me. And last but not least, this dress is a really nice wrap dress, and my favorite color. The only problem that I have with this dress, it gets super wrinkled. I'm not really one that likes to deal with a lot of stress when I wear my clothes. I kind of just like to wear them and go. So for that reason, so that is it for all my dresses. This took me in total 1 hour and 36 minutes, just dresses. For that reason, I'm gonna stop the video today. But if you guys would like to see part 2, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!